Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlade Guide. I am Saurav Rohkle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Selfish Giant on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rohkle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story The Selfish Giant? Options are A. Robert Lind, B. Leo Tolstoy, C. Oscar Wilde, or D. O. Henry. Correct option is C. Oscar Wilde. Question number 2. Oscar Wilde was an born playwright, poet, and short story writer. Options are A. Indian, B. American, C. Irish, or D. African. Correct option is C. Irish. Question number 3. Oscar Wilde took his education in Trinity College, Dublin and Magdalen College, Options are A. Oxford, B. Cambridge, C. Stanford, or D. Harvard. Correct option is A. Oxford. Question number 4. The idea of aestheticism propagated by influenced Oscar Wilde. Options are A. G.B. Shaw, B. William Shakespeare, C. Walter Pater, or D. William Hazlitt. Correct option is C. Walter Pater. Question 5. Walter Pater upheld the doctrine of art for art's sake, while Oscar Wilde began to worship Options are A. God for God's sake, B. Worship for worship's sake, C. Love for love's sake, or D. Beauty for beauty's sake. Correct option is D. Beauty for beauty's sake. Question 6. Oscar Wilde's stories are marked by the feature of Options are A. Twist ending, B. Wit and paradox, C. Humor and satire, or D. Irony and sorrow. Correct option is B. Wit and paradox. Question 7. The Selfish Giant was appeared in Oscar Wilde's famous book named Options are A. The Selfish Giant and Little Boy, B. The Selfish Giant and Other Stories, C. The Happy Prince and Other Stories, or D. The Happy Prince and Other Tales. Correct option is D. The Happy Prince and Other Tales. Question number 8. The Selfish Giant was first published in Options are A. 1878, B. 1885, C. 1881, or D. 1888. Correct option is D. 1888. Question number 9. The Selfish Giant is an anthological story known for its Options are A. Title and setting, B. Moral and spiritual significance, C. Characters and title, or D. Setting and dialogue. Correct option is B. Moral and spiritual significance. Question number 10. How many peach trees were there in the giant's large and lovely garden? Options are A. 100, B. 50, C. 33, or D. 12. Correct option is D. 12. Question number 11. Who is the owner of the garden in which the children used to play? Options are A. The giant, B. The children, C. Hail, or D. Frost. Correct option is A. The giant. Question 12. When did the children used to go to the giant's garden? Options are A. Dawn or before the sun rises, B. Every afternoon after school, C. Evening or playtime, or D. Morning or before school. Correct option is B. Every afternoon or after the school. Question 13. In the springtime, the garden broke out into delicate blossoms of and in the autumn bore rich fruit. Options are A. Red and yellow, B. Brown and yellow, C. Pink and pearl, or D. White and yellow. Correct option is C. Pink and pearl. Question 14. Why did the children used to stop their games in the garden? Options are A. To watch the beautiful birds, B. To watch the beautiful flowers, C. To listen sweet songs of the birds, or D. Watching the fearful giant. The correct option is C. To listen sweet songs of the birds. Question 15. Who had the giant gone to visit? Options are A. Spanish oak, B. Cornish oak, C. English oak, or D. Indian oak. Correct option is B. Cornish oak. Question 16. For how many years the giant had been away, or how much time did the giant spend visiting his friend? Options are A. 77 years, B. 70 years, C. 7 years, or D. 17 years. Correct option is C. 7 years. Question 17. What does the giant notice or watch when he returns to his castle? Options are A. Children are plucking flowers, B. Children are plucking fruits, C. Children are playing in the garden, or D. Children are busy to listen the birds. The correct option is C. Children are playing in the garden. Question 18. Why did the giant construct or build a high wall or compound around the garden? Options are A. To keep the children out, B. To protect the children, C. To become safe from other giants, or D. To please the spring. Correct option is A. To keep the children out. Question 18. What was the notice board that the giant put up? Options are A. Trespassers will be rewarded, B. Trespassers will be punished, C. Trespassers will be appreciated, or D. Trespassers will be prosecuted. The correct option is D. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Question 20. Why do the children commence or begin or start to play on road? Options are A. They are forbidden to play in the garden or the giant builds a compound. B. They are grown up so they do not have interest to play in garden. C. They are asked to do so by their parents. Or D. The road is spacious and equally attractive. The correct option is A. They are forbidden to play in the garden or the giant builds a compound. Question 21. Why did the children do not have interest to play on the road? Options are A. It is very narrow, B. It is very long, C. It is dusty and stony, or D. It belongs to the giant. Correct option is C. It is dusty and stony. Question 22. The children talk about dash dash inside when they used to wander round the high wall of the garden. Options are A. Notice board, B. Beautiful garden, C. The selfish giant, or D. The spring. Correct option is B. Beautiful garden. Question 23. Which season was it in the garden when it was spring all over the country? Options are A. Summer, B. Winter, C. Spring, or D. Rainy. Correct option is B. Winter. Question 24. Why did the birds forget to sing and trees forget to blossom in the giant's garden? Options are A. To follow giant's order, B. Due to climatic change, C. Due to unfavorable atmosphere, or D. Absence of children, there is still winter. Correct option is D. Absence of children, there is still winter. Question 25. What makes the beautiful flower to slip back into the ground? Options are A. The notice board, B. The high wall compound, C. The selfish giant's castle, or D. Frost and hail. Correct option is A. The notice board. Question 26. Who were happy to see or pleased that there were no children in the garden? Options are A. North wind and the hail, B. Flowers and trees, C. Snow and frost, or D. Spring and winter. Correct option is C. Snow and frost. Question 27. Snow and frost decide to stay or live throughout the year in the garden as the dash dash forgets to appear in the garden. Options are A. Summers, B. Autumn, C. Winter, or D. Spring? Correct option is D. Spring. Question 28. How does the snow respond the absence of the spring? Options are A. Covers grass with a white cloak, B. Paints trees silver, C. Roars all day, or D. Rattle on the roof of the castle? Correct option is A. Covers grass with her white cloak. Question 29. How does the frost respond the absence of the spring? Options are A. Covers grass with her white cloak, B. Paints all the trees silver, C. Roars all day about the garden, or D. Rattle on the roof of the castle? Correct option is B. Paints all the trees silver. Question 30. Whom does the snow and the frost invite to stay with them in the garden? Options are A. The south wind, B. The east wind, C. The west wind, or D. The north wind? Correct option is D. The north wind. Question 31. What was the north wind wrapped in? Options are A. Blanket, B. Quilt, C. Bedsheet, or D. Furs? Correct option is D. Furs. Question 32. What makes the chimney pots blow down? Options are A. The fluttering of birds, B. Rattling of hail, C. Roaring of the north wind, or D. Giant's axe? Correct option is C. Roaring of the north wind. Question 33. Who decides or plans to call or ask or invite the hail to visit the garden? Options are A. The north wind, B. Frost, C. Snow, or D. Spring? Correct option is A. The north wind. Question 34. Who rattles or clatters on the roof of the castle till he breaks most of the slates? Options are A. The giant, B. Frost, C. North wind, or D. Hail? The correct option is D. Hail. Question 35. How much time the roof is rattled by the hail? Options are A. 8 days, B. Daily 4 hours, C. 3 hours per day, or D. 24 hours? Correct option is C. 3 hours per day. Question 36. Hail was dressed in dash dash and his breath was like ice. Options are A. Grey, B. White, C. Red, or D. Pink? Correct option is A. Grey. Question 37. While sitting at the window, the giant looks out at his cold white garden and thinks due to dash dash the spring is late. Options are A. Presence of the snow, B. Presence of the wind, C. Presence of the hail, or D. Change in the weather or climate? Correct option is D. Change in the weather or climate. Question 38. Why did the autumn not give golden fruit to the giant's garden? Options are A. There were no birds, B. There was a huge wall compound, C. There was a notice board, or D. Giant prohibited children to play? Correct option is D. Giant prohibited children to play. Question 39. When the giant woke up one morning, which bird did he hear singing so much that he was mesmerized or fascinated by its melody? Options are A. A cuckoo, B. A linnet, C. A skylark, or D. A thrush? The correct option is B. A linnet. Question 40. From where did the children creep in the garden? Options are A. Through a hole in the wall, B. Through the door, C. Through a window, or D. By climbing the wall? Correct option is A. Through a hole in the wall. Question 41. How did the trees in the garden respond to the children's arrival? Options are A. Wave arms above their heads, B. Offer fruits to them, C. Give shade to them, or D. Come out of the ground? Correct option is A. Wave arms above their head. Question 42. To welcome the children, the birds start dash dash and the flowers start laughing with delight. Options are A. Fluttering, B. Rattling, C. Twittering, or D. Dancing? Correct option is C. Twittering. Question 43. The crying boy who wanders round the tree at the farthest corner of the garden was too dash dash to climb the tree. Options are A. Stout, B. Strong, C. Weak, or D. Tiny or small or little. Correct option is D. Tiny or small or little. Question 44. The giant's heart melts as he looks out and feels dash dash for his deed or selfish nature. Options are A. Proud, B. Sorry or sad or unhappy, C. Pleased or glad or happy, or D. Satisfied. Correct option is B. Sorry or sad or unhappy. Question 45. Why did the children fail to see the approaching or coming giant? Or why did the little boy not run away when the giant come into the garden? Options are A. Due to light came through giant, B. He was a blind child, C. He forgot to wear his spectacles, or D. His eyes were full of tears. Correct option is D. His eyes were full of tears. Question 46. Snow, frost, north wind and dash dash are the four personified visitors to give trouble to the giant during the season. Options are A. Sleet, B. Ice, C. Snow, or D. Hail. Correct option is D. Hail. Question 47. When did the people notice the giant playing with children? Options are A. While going to the market at 12, B. While going to their fields, C. While watching a magic show, or D. While watching a wrestling match. The correct option is A. While going to the market at 12. Question 48. Why did winter remain in one corner of the garden? Options are A. The tree refused to help him, B. It is giant's wish, C. The boy fails to climb the tree, or D. It is a comfortable place. Correct option is C. The boy fails to climb the tree. Question 49. How does the giant behave with or help the little child to climb the tree? Options are A. He supports him to climb, B. He offers him a ladder so that he can climb easily, C. He gives him wings, or D. He takes him gently and put up into the tree. The correct option is D. He takes him gently and put up into the tree. Question 50. Where does the old and feeble or weak giant used to sit to watch children's game? Options are A. In his garden stadium, B. On the branch of a huge tree, C. In the window of the castle, or D. In a huge armchair. Correct option is D. In a huge armchair. Question 51. What according to the giant are the most beautiful flowers of all? Options are A. Roses, B. Children, C. Lilies, or D. Daffodils. Correct option is B. Children. Question 52. Whom did the giant love most? Options are A. Birds in the garden, B. Flowers in the garden, C. Trees in the garden, or D. The little boy. Correct option is D. The little boy. Question 53. What marvelous sight does the giant see in the farthest corner of his garden? Options are A. A tree with pink blossoms, silver branches and golden fruit, B. A tree with yellow blossoms, golden branches and red fruit, C. A tree with white blossoms, golden branches and silver fruit, or D. A tree with red blossoms, huge branches and red fruit. Correct option is C. A tree with white blossoms, golden branches and silver fruit. Question 54. What makes the giant's face red with anger? Options are A. Arrival of the little boy, B. Late arrival of spring, C. Wound of the little boy, or D. Little boy fails to climb the tree. Correct option is C. Wound of the little boy. Question 55. The giant says to the little boy, Who hath dared to wound thee? Tell me that I may take my big dash dash and slay him. Options are A. Sword, B. Harpoon, C. Sickle, or D. Bow and arrows. Correct option is A. Sword. Question 56. On the palms and feet of the child were the prints of dash dash. Options are A. 4 nails, B. 2 nails, C. Tattoo, or D. Printed tattoo. Correct option is B. 2 nails. Question 57. According to the little child, the prints on his palms and feet are wounds of dash dash. Options are A. Blood, B. Nails, C. Scratches, or D. Love. Correct option is D. Love. Question 58. What does the child's garden refer in the story? Options are A. Paradise, B. Heaven, C. The giant's garden, or D. Village garden. Correct option is A. Paradise. Question 59. Who came to visit the garden to take the giant to paradise after his death? Options are A. Cornish Og, B. Pope of the state, C. Priest in the church, or D. The little boy or Jesus Christ. The correct option is D. The little boy or Jesus Christ. Question number 60. Who was the little boy in the story Selfish Giant? Options are A. Son of a farmer, B. Jesus or Christine disguise, C. Nephew of landlord, or D. Son of landlord. Correct option is B. Jesus or Christine disguise. Question 61. The giant is called a selfish because he prohibits the dash dash to use his garden. Options are A. Adults, B. Winter, C. Children, or D. Little boy. Correct option is C. Children. Question 62. What does spring and winter symbolize in the story? Options are A. Happiness and suffering, B. Light and darkness, C. Cold and hot atmosphere, or D. Giant and children. Correct option is A. Happiness and suffering. Question 63. What made the giant say, "It is your garden now, little children"? Options are A. Realized connection between children and winter, B. He wanted to play with them, C. He sold the garden to the children's parents, or D. He bought toys for them. Correct option is A. Realized connection between children and winter. Question 64. Why did the garden fall into perpetual winter? Options are A. Winter liked the garden, B. Bereft and innocence of children, C. The giant ordered winter to stay longer, or D. The climatic conditions were changed. Correct option is B. Bereft and innocence of children. Question 65. When did the spring return in the giant's garden? Options are A. When children came back to play in the garden, B. When children went out to play into another garden, C. When the giant went to meet his friend, or D. When the giant sat in the armchair. Correct option is A. When children came back to play in the garden. Question 66. What is the meaning of the word paradise? Options are A. Giant's garden, B. Beautiful garden, C. Hell, or D. Heaven. Correct option is D. Heaven. Question 67. What is the theme of the story The Selfish Giant? Options are A. Beauty of the garden, B. Redemption of the soul, C. Innocence in children, or D. Human being and giant. Correct option is B. Redemption of the soul. Question 68. Which two figures of speech dominate the story? Options are A. Personification and metaphor, B. Simile and onomatopoeia, C. Metonymy and simile, or D. Hyperbole and simile. The correct option is A. Personification and metaphor. Question 69. What is the setting of the story The Selfish Giant? Options are A. Giant's village, B. Giant's garden, C. Selfish Giant's garden, or D. School of the children. Correct option is C. Selfish Giant's garden. Question 70. The story The Selfish Giant has dash dash person narration. Options are A. Third, B. Second, C. First, or D. Fourth. Correct option is A. Third. Question 71. What does the tree symbolize in the story? Options are A. Greenery, B. The cross of Jesus Christ, C. Shelter of birds, or D. Shade and fruits. Correct option is B. The cross of Jesus Christ. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.